Sorkar Jilla Garan Gajingtmu Ban Kintiu Ya Kamairang Civil Subdivision Shakakardan District Laythu Umintri Rangba Kajilla Konrad Ki Sangma Habakren Kinong Tho Kot Kubor Umintri Rangba Ulong Baka Sorkar Jilla Kelas Ngauday Ban Kintiu Kardan Ya Civil Subdivision Namar Baka West Khasi Hills Kelas Adin Palat Hakini Kisnem Ki Balade Kani Gajing Kintiu Kardan District Kalong Ban Wanra Ya Kasinsha Khadar Khamjan Shaki Patba
If you look at all these kind of plus and minus, I think we will be able to take a decision. So, from the government's point of view, from the leadership point of view, decision making is the most critical part for us. So, we have to weigh and all the options. And as I said, that when we look at the size of West Khasi Hills district, when we look at the economic standard of the people in West Khasi Hills, when we look at the sustainable development goals in West Khasi Hills has been neglected a lot. And to bring development and to raise the livelihood of the people in West Khasi Hills, which I've been speaking for a very, very long time, it's not just I say it now. The only way to do it is to bring the administration closer to the people. And this has been a demand of the people of Mairang area and the adjoining constituencies, and therefore it's a very genuine demand. Yes, you're right that there will be plus and minus, but then if we keep looking at that, then we want to move forward. So we will see as and when we find that yes, there's a genuine demand and there's a need to open up. We've always been for taking administration closer to the people, and this is a very justified one. We will examine. The Honorable Minister for Power had met me a couple of times and demanded for district in Nading, because again West Khasi Hills is again a very huge district. So we are examining those aspects also. So, but the Power Minister has been very clear that nothing should be given the district, but the government has not taken any decision yet. Let us see. The time comes, we will see, but as I said, as of now, we are going as per the need. As I said, it's not always election oriented. Sometimes we need to do things because it's required. And that's why we felt that Mairang was required. So we don't have to wait till elections come and then do it. Just because we need to look at votes and all these things and we do it last moment, I feel it's not always correct. So we feel that we could have also delayed things. We could have also announced it later on. But then government has to do what it has to do. Therefore, we decided to go ahead. Sure. Mairang district has been announced, and Mairang will be the new district of our state. And because of COVID, the situation has been slightly slow. But to let the people of Mairang know and feel positive about it, that we will do our best to ensure that before Independence Day, the Mairang district is functional. That will be our idea.
Sir, what about this